Welcome. Thank you for joining me. I'm Gerry Oginski, a medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. Today's topic is, in case of death, what to do. This video clip is based upon a series of articles I've written in the event that someone you love has died. Trying to evaluate a potential wrongful death claim, it is crucial to know what the elements of the damages are in such a claim. We are entitled to look at, and we're entitled to go after, pain and suffering from the time of the malpractice up until the time of the patient's death. Any lost income that the person suffered as a result of the malpractice, again, from the time that it occurred up until the time of the patient's death. Now, once the death has occurred, we now have to look at what is the financial loss to the family as a result of the person's death. And this is a very, very traumatic experience for the family, because now for the first time they realize that their family member is no longer their loved one. They're now looked upon in the eyes of the law in New York as simply someone who is a wage earner, who has brought in money to the family and has supported the family. But what happens when that person is elderly, or is a young child, or that person is not working anymore? Maybe they've retired and they are no longer earning income. Well, that element of damages then is now out the window, and the family no longer has the ability to obtain compensation, it's called pecuniary loss, for the financial loss to the family, because there is no financial loss. So that is usually the most and the greatest aspect of damages in a wrongful death claim. So if you don't have any income that a person has lost or the family has lost because of loved one's death, what else do you have as far as damages? You have something called loss of parental guidance. If that's the only aspect of damages for the death claim, then it's going to be very difficult to bring a claim, because from a business standpoint, most experienced medical malpractice attorneys will tell you that they spend as much time, effort, and energy to work on a small case as they do on a large case.